Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is Pittsburgh Unboxing. Kathy wants to know what's in the box, Goose. So I will open up the box. Kathy got a hell of a deal on this, too. Way less than buying it at a store, even if you count the shipping and the electronics protection, which we always buy for items that are electronic. And this is Pittsburgh Unboxing. Kathy's on the phone as I saw the box apart with my knife of death. Okay. The knife of death is going crazy here. Just a minute. There we go. All right. Well, here's the box. And I'm amazed she got this. This is brand new. Wow, more stuff. I thought this was bubble wrap. So here is connector. Here is the power supply. And this is what she got. This is OLED. This is Pokemon. This is Nintendo. This is the Nintendo Switch, Pokemon and Scarlet and Violet Edition. And it is the Nintendo Switch 2, I assume. I've never seen one of these, nor the game. By the way, Kathy, there's a new game out. Comes out later in October, I think. Now, how do we get this open? That's today's question. Not screwing the box up. I watched something on a new game that's out. Not out yet. New Pokemon game. Okay, I don't want to tear these tabs off. I guess there's no way to open these tabs without tearing one of them anyway. Alright, it says plug it in, set it up. There's that. And it slides out, I think. No, it's not cooperating. Hold on. Okay, gotta lift this part up. Oh, there we go. Alright, and we have here wow, more stuff. Alright, we have this and the controllers. A red one and a purple one. Kathy's favorite color is purple. Well, I know secretly it's grape jelly, but that's beside she really hates grape jelly. Alright, here's the switch, the front, the back. I don't know why there's fingerprints on it, but that's a little puzzlement. And here's more stuff. This must be the dock. This is Pittsburgh Unboxing. Yeah. This is the dock. And it's got a piece of cardboard protecting it. And there are screen protectors for this dock and for the screen. And there's the Pokemon creatures, whatever they are. I have no idea. And then there's the AC adapter, HDMI out, and LAN. I think it says LAN. I can't read that. LAN. So there's the front. There's the back. And then we have another item. The question is, I thought this came with the games. There's another, some kind of controller. And I have no idea what it does. So, now I don't see a game in here. Maybe there's a game hiding. Oh, there they are. There they are. Nope, that's not them. This is little tiny controllers. I thought this thing had the game. I'm not seeing no games here. Wait a minute, there's a Nintendo Switch manual. So never having seen one of these, I don't know where the game's supposed to be. As this folds out, there's book-length novel. Double-sided, huge pages. Remember when they used to give actual instruction books? Let me look through the stuff some more. See if I can find actual physical games here. I'm not finding so far. There's nothing there. This doesn't lift up at all. Maybe they're on. Maybe they're in these controller things, like a chip or something. I don't know. Let's see. It says here, Pokemon Nintendo Switch Edition, Pokemon Scarlet and Violet Edition. And it has a bunch of stuff on the side, which I don't think my flashlight is working. Oh, it is working. Console, Joy-Con straps, high-speed HDMI cable, Switch dock, Joy-Con grip, Switch AC adapter, console, Joy-Con, Dragon Nest Joy-Con, HDMI cable, something in Nintendo Switch in French. Sport Joy-Con adapter. Oh, they have French stuff. Okay. I don't think anything in here for the game. I hope the games don't come separate. 7-inch screen, dock with LAN port, adjustable stand. Then we didn't get the game. Well, I don't see the game. I think we have to buy the game separately, which kind of sucks. I was under and this has been. Now this thing has got that came off of this. This is some kind of cover. It's got a stain on it. How can this be brand new? Well, you paid less than brand new prices. There's no game in here, Kathy. Still there? Huh?
You mean, you're telling me that no games came with this?
No, it's just the Nintendo Switch edition with the creatures on it, but there's no game. You have to buy the game separately. Well, hold on. Let me go to eBay and try to figure out what this actually entails. Just a minute. I'm going to eBay. Okay, I'm going to look at the exact order. It says handheld system. Let's see. Hold on. Click on the picture. I think, well, you got a deal on it because, you know, it would have cost a lot more, but let me look at the description. There's, hold on. I'm not seeing a description here on this thing. Hold on. Yeah, I think you're going to have to buy the games. Well, I'll help you buy the damn games.
I remember, when you found out on eBay, and you told me that I was getting the Switch plus the game.
Well, I thought so too, but obviously, this is handheld system.
So
it's got.
it's going to cost me $100 to buy those games.
Well, I don't know. I'll look that up. Don't swear when I'm live on the video. Yeah, other ones have the same thing. The creatures, but no game. By the way, there's a new thing also. You can upgrade older games and turn them into a whole new edition. I'm going to have to look it up. All right, I'll let you go. I'll look up how much this has cost on eBay. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Sorry about this. Well, Kathy's not happy. All right, I'm going to go. I'm going to look up how much this cost to get the game, see if I can find the best price. God knows what these things cost, but then she'll have to get an extra set of batteries. So let me look up one more thing here, and that is the channel numbers 1,523,189, ding, 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 and 20,075 subscribers. So a disappointment for Kathy, but it's here. She's got a brand new machine, and once she gets the game, now she could probably play her only games on it. I'm not certain of that, but these were selling, maybe with the game, for as high as $500. And why this has a stain on it, I don't know. Maybe this was used, or slightly used, but I'll put everything away and look for her and either order it, or we could go to Best Buy or somewhere and get the games. So, put everything back in the box. Excuse me, I'm still coughing. But at least she has one now. I don't know if her old one still works or not. Best I'm going to do. So you've seen it, the Nintendo Switch 2, and I watched videos saying the battery life sucks, and then you want to get I can get her camera for Logitech for $38. She wants to ever play with other people online. Alright, that's it for this one. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel. Remember, you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month, where you see content not on the regular channel. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now.